Question number 1. What do you think of mathematics?
For me, math is hard.
You mean math as a subject?
Like, how would you describe the first thing that comes to your mind when you heard of the word math?
It is numbers, and numbers for me it's fun and amusing, but sometimes it can be confusing also.
Math is easy if you know how it works, and simply hard if you don't.
Question number 2. Based on your own experience, what do you think makes math difficult?
Based on my own experience, math is hard because it takes a lot of time and effort studying it.
Your patience counts as you try to understand every part of it.
Yes, there are times I was left with no choice but to move forward and digest another topic without fully understanding the past lesson.
That's the point where everything can get really difficult for me.
Based on my own experience, it could be because of having a bad teacher.
Hope this isn't personal.
Nope, actually, I once had this teacher who is maybe forced to teach math even though it's not his major.
Quite unfortunate for a student like you. But certain circumstances can happen, right?
He gave his best shot, but things can be a little confusing. That's why I had difficulties dealing with math that time.
It seemed hard maybe because Matt and I sometimes don't really click with each other.
Seems like you're not into numbers, are you?
You could say it like that. Just like that, there are chance I feel like I've been left behind.
Could it be because you're not enough confident also?
Especially if you feel stuck of something you can figure out.
Yeah, doubting yourself, losing all the confidence.
That way, Matt become more difficult for me.
The wonders of mathematics. As lessons get harder, we try our best to get smarter. I remember how we started counting using our fingers, and how math made us question and ponder. The thrill before when solving with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division soon was replaced by astonishment with statistics and probability, decimals and property.
How did skip counting turn into carrying? That mathematics now involves letters and not just numbers. It gradually gets harder, but that means the more we wonder, the more we get smarter. Not all the time we get our answers correct. Mistakes helps us improve and motivates to do our best. We learn to accept our wrongs and strive to get things right.
That what we learned before now can make things clear, that math is something to be proud of, despite the numerous equations it's made of, that the wonders of mathematics is always hard from the start. It does not get easier, but it helps us to do better.